Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can easily free up some space on your iPhone device. So there is going to be an easy trick. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so first of all you have to go to the settings section of your iPhone device, and then in the general section you have to simply go to iPhone storage, where you will see this option that says offload unused apps. So you can enable this option and this will automatically free up some space from those apps that you least use on your iPhone device. And this will not delete any of your data of that app, so you can simply use this option. You can offload those apps that you do not use on an everyday basis. Apart from that, you can even do this for the individual apps that are taking up too much memory on your device. So what you need to do is you simply have to open the particular app and then you have to simply tap offload app. Here it is written that this will free up some storage space used by the app but keep its document and data. So you have to reinstall the app. Alright, so first you have to simply tap offload app. And then you have to reinstall it. So this will also free up some space on your iPhone device. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can tell me in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.